Hello, my name's Dr. Tracie Risling, and I'm an associate professor in the Faculty of Nursing here at the University of Calgary. And this is your personal invitation to my upcoming Food for Thought Breakfast Series event. Now, here's what you need to know. First, due to our ongoing pandemic situation, you're actually going to handle the breakfast part of this event yourself as we gather virtually. On the bright side, leaves lots of menu options, and I'm thinking waffles would be perfect. How about the when? This event will take place Thursday, February 24th, 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, which I know is early, but remember, this is a virtual event open to everyone, so if you're on the East Coast, it'll practically be lunch. What are we going to talk about? Nursing and social media. And even if you have never snapped, tweeted, ticked, or talked, I promise there is something important in this conversation for all of us when it comes to social media and the future of our profession. Plus, aren't you dying to know what the best nursing hashtags are? But no spoilers. You're just going to have to RSVP and join us on February 24th, and I look forward to seeing you then.